Oh yes, oh my god. My mouth is watering right now, and so should yours. To make our General Tso's tofu, you're gonna need firm tofu, which is already drained, and I'm gonna cut this up in small pieces. Now this is a gluten-free recipe, so you're gonna absolutely love it. It's delicious. So I just cut my tofu up, and then I'm just gonna cut them up into small pieces like that. Now tofu has no taste whatsoever, so it takes on the flavor of whatever seasoning that you use. So it's pretty much gonna take on the flavor of the seasoning that we're gonna use. And you just cut them up into small blocks just like this. Hey guys, before I get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free. Weight loss tips and healthy meals. Okay, so once I have my tofu already cut up, let's see what it looks like. So here I have cornstarch, right? And the cornstarch is gonna give it that nice crisp that we're looking for. And I have 3 tablespoons of cornstarch here. And use as much as you need. You don't have to be stuck to, oh my god, I have to use 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. That's what Maxine said. No, that's not necessary. So I'm just gonna, oh look. So I'm just gonna dump this in here. And as I do, what you need to do is use your hands. So just make sure that it's coated. So with my cornstarch, I added garlic powder, onion powder, and some Mrs. Dash, okay? So this is how you want to coat it. This is how it should look. I'm going to coat the rest of them, and then we're going to move on. So it's all coated, and that's exactly what it looks like. The next thing that you're going to need once you put that all together is you're going to need some garlic, okay? So I have some minced garlic here, and it's about 4 cloves. I'm going to leave everything in the description box. So it's time to fry our tofu. Now you can either fry it or you can bake it. So I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of chili oil, just a teaspoon. And once again, like I said, you can bake it if you want to. If you have peanut oil, you can use that as well. That's pretty much up to you. I'm just gonna add these here in the pan, and you're gonna let that brown on low heat. So I'll be back to flip it. Okay, my healthy people, so I found that to get to the crisp that I was looking for, I needed to add a little bit more oil. So I actually went ahead and add some avocado oil to this. Now you can use any oil that you want, or you can go ahead and throw it in the oven, okay? Alright, my healthy people, that's it. It's pretty much done. It's very spicy because of the chili oil. I'm just going to remove this from the pan. This is what it looks like. Okay, so we're going to sit this to the side. I'm going to take a paper towel, and I'm just going to wipe this clean. Look how easy it is, see? I have 3 cloves of garlic that was minced. I'm going to add that to my pan. And then I have my ginger paste. So just let your garlic cook for a little bit. It smells so good right now. And then I'm going to add my ginger paste. Okay. For ginger paste. Smells good. Okay. Now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Whoa! 1/3 cup of maple syrup. And this should be on low heat. And don't forget, we are making General Tso's tofu. Okay? And it's best to use a non-stick pan when you're doing this. Low heat, guys. And then I'm going to just add my tofu in here. I have 1/2 tablespoon of cornstarch with some water, with a cup of water. I'm just going to add 1/2 of it to this, just like that. Or you could just add the whole thing. I'll just add the whole thing. And you're just going to stir this around, just like that. Okay, my healthy people, so that's exactly what you're looking for. A nice, simmer. Looks delicious, looks yummy, easy, it's thick. This is the thickness and consistency that you're looking for. Coat everything and you're done. It is time to serve. I'm going to serve this with some nice steamed broccoli. What better way to eat it? Look at that. Say what? Maxine's Corner. You called? Because if you did, I am here to answer your call for delicious meals. Look at that. Look at it. Look, look, look. That's it, guys. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. I'm going to go ahead and eat all this right now. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. And what? Stay healthy.